one of our live trading robot. Let's see how it works. You simply go through website, we provide the link, select the index, put the number of trades you want to run in a time. Okay, after putting it, paste the API token you get from Deriv from settings, broker API ID, you will get it from broker, serial key we will send it to you, and also put the bet amount, simply click on start trading. Okay, and after clicking the start trading will be started. Let's move on Deriv official website and check out here how in background the live bot works. I hope you all people know how actually these API based robots works. I'm sure you guys know. So this is also one of API based robot which trade on rise of file market, rise fall, over under, and digit difference, call put, accumulator. You guys can run on Wix NPA. Checkout is started with minimum capital, and now the profit is front of you. Trade by trade, it's increasing, making profit consistent. If loss happen, it will adjust this lot size and automatically it will bring your account back into profit. Yes, this is super powerful trading system which is totally hands free, totally automatic. It will analyze by itself. You just need to input details we will provide you and simply click on algo trade button, allow the trading. Each and everything will be automatically for you based on parameters our professional coders team include this bot. And this bot will make some good profit for you. I hope you guys understood. Watch this video till end and check out our daily basis withdrawals from this bot. It's making good profit. Thanks for watching.